Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the sixth class mathematics. In this, the chapter 1 is knowing our numbers. So, in this, we will discuss about how we will compare the two numbers. So, we have to remember two rules for compare the two numbers. That are the in number having more digit will be greater of the two. If two numbers are present, then we will count the number of digits in the two numbers, and the number of digit will be greater, that number will be greater. So this is the rule first, and rule second is we can compare two number having same number of digits by comparing their digits same. So the number that having same number of digits, so we can compare each and every digits of first number with corresponding number of each and every digits. Then we compare the meet digits to the right of it, and so on. So we will compare meet digits of the rights. So firstly, when we compare two numbers, we will start from the left sides of these two numbers and comparing it meet digits to the right of it, and so on. So we will discuss about this. Now the next is ordering of ascending and descending number. जब हम ये सीख लेंगे कि किस तरीके से हम नंबर को कंपेयर करते हैं, कि हमें बड़ा और छोटा नंबर का पता लग जाता है, विच इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर एंड विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, सो वी अरेंज द नंबर इन असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जो हम बढ़ते क्रम में और घटते क्रम में उनको लिखेंगे, उसी को हम बोलते हैं असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स. So ascending order means arrangement of number from smallest to greatest. So in ascending order, we will arrange the number from smallest number to greatest number. So see in example 25 after 32, 47, 65. So in this 25 less than 32 less than 47 less than 65. So we also know that it is the symbol of less than. So in this way we'll write ascending numbers. Now the second is descending order. In descending order, we will arrange the number from the greatest to lower number. That is, example is 85, 72, 65, 47 and 32. Then the numbers will be in decreasing order. In this, the 85 will be greatest from all these digits. So 85 is at the first position. So 85 is greater than 72. That is greater than 65. That is greater than 47, and that is greater than 32. So this is the descending order of the numbers. Now we will take an example. Rewrite the numeral in the descending order of numeral. So in this question we have to write the descending order of these numerals. इसके अंदर हम इसके जो घटते क्रम है उसको लिखेंगे. So we will see all these numbers. We will count the digits of in all these numbers. In this 5 digits present, in this also 5 digits present, in this also 5 digits present, in this 4 digits present. So compare to these digits, it will be smallest from these digits, and in this also 5 digits is present. So when we see all these number, we will see that 41,309 is the largest number. Here the largest number is 41,309. That this and this is same, 4 same, 1 same, but here is 3 and here is 0. Then 3 is greater than 0, so this number is greatest. So the next number smaller than 41,309 is 41,029. The other number less than is 41,029. In decreasing order is 37,031, and the next one is 35,043, and next one is 8,741. So the required descending order is, we will write first the largest number, that is 41,309, and next 41,029, and next 30,031, and next 35,043 and next 8,741. So in this way we will compare all these number and we will find largest number. After that from the smallest number to that largest number, it will be taking so on, and we will write the descending order of these number. So this is the way we will write the descending order of the numerals. So इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे कि जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे, उसके बाद में उससे छोटा देखेंगे, उससे बाद में उसके छोटा देखेंगे, फिर उससे छोटा, ऐसे हम चलते जाएंगे जब तक हमारे सारे न्यूमेरल्स को हम कंपेयर करके और उनका जो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है वो ना लिखें तब तक, ठीक है। सो इस तरीके से हम इसके डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर को करेंगे। राइट द फॉलोइंग इन असेंडिंग और इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर। इनके अंदर हमें क्या करना है, इसके अंदर इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, देन यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन योर सेल्फ। सो ये एग्जांपल आपको खुद करना है जिसके अंदर आपको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर्स इसका क्या करना है, लिखना है। उसके बाद में हमारा जो नेक्स्ट आता है दैट विल बी फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट and greatest number in each of the following. We have to find greatest and smallest number. So we will compare these number by counting the number of digits. So in these number we will see that this number has 3 digits, this number has 4 digits, this number has 2 digits, this number has 5 digits, and this number has 3 digits. So in which number the number of digits is greater, that is 5 digits number. This is the 5 digits number. Then 69,875, it is the largest number. It is the largest number present in these numeral. Now we see the smallest number of digits, that is in this 2 digits, that is 20. It is the smallest number. So in this way we will find out the greatest and smallest number in the following examples. So in the next second part you have to do on yourself that you can see, आप इसमें देखोगे कि डिजिट्स को पहले काउंट करना है, सभी नंबर्स के डिजिट्स को काउंट करना है। जिसमें ज्यादा डिजिट्स है उसको हम लार्जेस्ट नंबर लेंगे और जिसमें कम डिजिट्स है उसको स्मॉलेस्ट लेंगे। अगर हमारे दो नंबर ऐसे आ जाते हैं जिसमें इक्वल डिजिट्स आ जाते हैं तो उसको बाद में हम कंपेयर करेंगे, जैसे अपन ने ऊपर सीखा था कि जब दो डिजिट्स के अंदर नंबर्स जो हैं, जो हमारे नंबर्स हैं उनके अंदर डिजिट्स सेम आ जाते हैं तो किस तरीके से उनको कंपेयर करेंगे, तो उसी तरीके से आपको इसके अंदर करना है, ठीक है। सो इट इज द एंड ऑफ दिस लेक्चर। यू हैव टू राइट these example on your notebook and learn about how we will find the greatest and smallest number in the numerals and how we will write the descending and ascending orders of the numbers. So it is the end of this lecture. Thank you.